bangko, malalim ang bakas ng paa sa lupa.
What's up? Guys, ito pa yung mga kasama ko ha. Ito, Carlo. Ito yung gusto mag-prep. Sa'yo dyan guys. Dahil si Coach E. Evan.
Ano pangalan ng grupo nyo?
M50s. Wala pa kami page, so baka yan. So, magic ko guys.
Fitting outfit na ba?
Yes. Ang ganyan na mag-prep. Papapatrol mo na siya.
Nice.
50 years old.
Pa-compete mo 15.
Nagana siya pag 17 siya.
Paalsahin mo.
Alam mo na ha.
Bumagsak ang mga bakal, humahagalpak. Pag umapak sa timbangan, pumapalakpak. Hahatakin mga taong hiyang sumaba.
Na-prank guys! Kala ko di ka pupunta. Marty!
Sa lahat na dugo ay puro pamayagang sumabat. Pero sumuko
Midro pa ako sana.
Ito malayo. Ito malayo. Ay, kasama kaya? Pampanga ka rin? Jakey.
bangko, malalim ang bakas ng paa sa lupa. Sa dami ng pasan, pero kailangan daan bago lang pasan ang mga pagsubok. Takot tapatan, yung mabilis na kuha, mabilis ding kunin. Sa'yo mahalaga makarating kahit di matulin. Aking babaunin ang aking layunin. Nakapako ang mata sa goal na kaya. Sige lang, sige lang, sige lang, sige lang. Kung ano nang nagawa mo'y higitan. Kaya sige lang, sige lang, sige lang, sige lang. Desidido kahit magkaibitan. Kahit na mahirap ay haharapin, kasi dun makikita ang tunay na galing. Sige lang, sige lang.
Sa udol mo?
Sunod.
Ano wala ka lang? Kumusta Boracay?
Okay naman. Medyo umangit yung diet. Hindi ko natatanggal.
Makamahina yung malis na tirang malakas ang dating. Yung iba'y nagtalim ng pampalakas. Oy wala kami yan, natural lang ang cuts. Oy ang sharp patin yan, di kailangan ng meds. Focus lang basihan, katawan, disiplina ang siyang natural. Ano ba to, matindi to, laging bino ang rhythm ko. Proud na dalisay, hindi mauutal. Yamado to panalo, kanino kasusugal. Bawat akbang ko, malalim ang bakas ng paa sa lupa, dami na pasan. Pero kailangan daan, bago lang pasan ang mga pasunod.
Mahirap biruin eh ito, naka-prep boss yan.
Anong mahirap pula? Ano?
Bulalo, ay sorry. Baka mamaya coach ano ka, pak, may elbow ka.
Biro. Mahirap biruin.
Huwag kayo magbulalo.
Ay! Hoy!
Huwag kayo
Magbiro.
Dahil meron tayong posing seminar. What's in mga kapawgi? Dito ason. Tapos sa kanya, pasa mo.
Sige, game! Mic check. What's up mga kapogi? Nandito tayo.
What's in? What's in ba ulit?
What's in mga kapogi? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Anytime Fitness Vibe Hub D. Tuazon at...
Ikaw siya?
Oh!
Bigyan mo yung mic.
Ayun. At... What's in mga kapogi? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Anytime Fitness Vibe Hub D. Tuazon and...
Dahil may Tatak Dalisay Exclusive Classic Posing Seminar. Tama ba?
Classic Physique.
Classic Physique
Seminar. What's in mga kapogi? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Anytime Fitness Vibe Hub dito sa Quezon City at
dahil may Tatak Dalisay Exclusive and Classic Physique Posing Seminar.
Let's go!
tama kayo nang narinig. Meron tayong Classic Physique Posing Seminar dito sa Anytime Fitness. And ang guest speaker natin ngayon ay si Kuya Mags Villaperte. Ngayon, kasama ko yung dalawang maglalaro. 3 weeks out na lang sila from Mr. and Miss Taguig 2023. And just watch this vlog para malaman nyo ano yung mga mangyayari on our posing seminar. GG. Kaya bigyan ako ng konting house rules mamaya pag nag-rescue na. Ay, may papalag, may papalag. So, 14. Alam natin kung sino yun. Ay, gago, 15. Bumalag, 15. Ako, tangin na, bumalag.
Yeah, I've been living my life on the west side. I'ma ride till I die, getting so high. I've been
Naka-prep yan si Kuya Max. Naka-prep yan.
Later on,
yeah, she be by my side every time I wanna run away. And I live my best life pouring up on a Sunday. Yeah, she be by my
May
side.
mga tao na certain poses, they hit it differently. Kanya-kanya ka yan eh. So at the end of the day, you have to see what works for you. And coach ay makakapagsabi, kung kagaya yung iba, merong tinatawag na vacuum na merong naka-flex yung abs. For example, for me, so front front lat press. Yung ibang tao, yung lat press ako, malaki yung dyan, minsan, kailangan talaga yung vacuum. May mga tao naman na maganda talaga yung abs, sobrang skinny, maganda yung bawal. You have to compare and see which one looks better. Front, double bicep. So, front, double bicep. Front, double bicep, focus kayo sa lat. Side chest yung next. Side chest. Merong side chest na naka-arm yung back. Merong side chest na medyo visible na.
Coach, mandatory poses, ano pa daw?
So, may times, may vacuum, merong naka-arm. Tip, siguro, huwag kayo mag-pull vascular during the posing routine. Kasi minsan, sabi nila, nakakapawas naman. Ayaw nila mag-skill ng bodybuilding pose ng class. Okay, dito na si Pro. Ito rin, nag-golden to sa classic eh, no?
yes.
Can you show them your favorite classic physique pose? Ganda yun eh. Tanong tayo, para malinaw. Ito, favorite classic physique. What's your favorite last year? Yung last.
Pero hindi lang po eh. Kasi yung favorite class na post depende sa instructor. Yung pag-contract nila, galing dito, gumagano, sumiliit. Pero dapat, parang naka-ano lang siya na para may quad weight. Hindi siya naka-contract na gasa. Yung nakikita ng audience or ng judge, yung nararamdaman mo. So dapat, number 1 na talaga is practice nyo. Practice pa lang yun. Siguro, mga ilang beses, workout, kahit nga sa cardio, para naman yun, maramdaman nyo, mag-memorize yung feeling, saan dapat yung i-activate at hindi i-activate. Ako, hindi naman ako yung pinakamalaki sa stage, hindi naman ako yung pinakasagad din yung vision. Pero, sa stage, kung iisipin nyo, maraming hindi ko marunong mag-post, maraming praktisado. Kaya, hindi lang na-represent sarili nila na maayos. Yung voice. Kasi halata mo yung confidence. Iba rin yung arrogance. Iba yung arrogance ka sa stage. Iba yung confidence ka sa stage.
We're driving through rain, running through sun and looking at planes. We're cruising through towns, moving all around, but you stay the same.
Let's go, Martin!
So, just like what sinabi nila kay Francis Pizza. So, ang kailangan natin maghanapin is yung mga mandatory courses, especially sa mga meta-classic PC. So, first,
front pa lang. Actually, nakalatag sa front relax.
Practice na natin. Okay guys, let's form 3 lines na lang. Tallest at the back. Tapos
Damn, you look good tonight. Damn, you look good tonight. Damn, you look good tonight.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own.
Okay, so nakikita nyo naman, guys. 4 of my classic physique athletes last year, sila yung mga nagde-demonstrate and nag-assist dun sa mga ka-teammates sila of how they would proper pose the classic physique. Nandito si Alfer, si Miguel, si Martin, syempre yung nag-champion sa atin sa beginner, si Jaren. Kanina nag-speak si Kuya Mags. He gave some tips on what if you're on stage, anong gagawin. Even though yung iba dito hindi pa naman magko-compete ng classic physique. Yung etong seminar nito ay ginawa natin for them to be prepared in the future events. Di natin alam eh. Baka may mag-improve lalo and maglaro ng classic physique. Or classic physique kasi, since we are competing in NBA, in Natural Bodybuilding Australia, some of the classic physique pose is applicable sa men's physique. So kung kahit men's physique sila, it's still applicable. So walang tapon sa knowledge na binibigay natin dito sa posing seminar na we conduct for today.
Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, let me in. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable. Let me in, you know me, yeah, I got only a path, I'm lonely. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable. Let me in, you know me, yeah, I got only a path, I'm lonely. But damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Mabilis ding kunin sa'yo, mahalaga makarating kahit di matuloy. mata sa goal na kaya. Sige lang, sige lang, sige lang, sige lang. Kung ano.
Ayan, visit nyo yun, Express Supplements and Kuya Mags V ang IG ni Kuya Mags. At Mags V.
Sobrang wide.
And for letting us work out sa Anytime Fitness Hubs.
Saan naman tayo after NBA?
After NBA.
Saan na tayo? Saan yung prefer na brand?
Sige lang po. Ayan guys, so thank you kay Kuya Mags. Kuya Mags, sige.
Na gustong ituro kahit sinong tumapat sa laro natuto. Napatunayan sa lahat na dugo ay puro papayagang sumabat pero huwag sumuko. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang kahit hindi madali. Sinusuli ng sakit ng bawat sandali. Di makukuha pag walang kabali na bigati. No pain, no gain, yan ang sinasabi. Sundin, damhin, mabaka sakali. Showin, all in, makababali. Kahit pa lumagapak, pagdalisay ang tatak, di mapapabagsak. Tell 'em. Bangko malalim ang bakas ng paa sa lupa. Sa dami ng pasan. Let's go Ian, let's go.
Roger. Fuck that bitch, try put the fee on it. That put the free on it. If it's about money, then we on it. Water on my neck, you can ski on it. You can't unknow these dumb I was laying in my bed while she dripped on it. And I touched that thing back with my knee on it. And my shoes was too fresh with my feet on it. Went to the jewel, top like the morning. 24 hours, then I was sold. I was not locked up, you was in hold. I know some niggas got life in they pose. All in they picture, she know I'm richer. Yeah, to her nigga, look at my wrist. Hurt you feel sicker, I'm not missing. She not enough, I need a friend. I feel like Trisha, total my car, I cannot fix it. She close to the pig, make the bitch lick. I got a lamb, I got a fist. She ride on my dick, like it's a ripstick. Smack on my bottom like that should've missed. I'm 30 M's in, still in the trenches. Went to the dentist, cause I'm a menace. Fuck the old cougar, just for her picture. Pose, 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 pose,
First and foremost, maraming salamat sa effort, pagpunta, hindi mag-absent, nagpakulit.
Huwag ka mamaya.
And after 4 weeks, nagkita ulit tayo for team training. Actually, itong seminar na to, itong kalat yung ano kaya rin ang susundan. Maybe kung bodybuilding na yung susundan na seminar or what. So, this certificate of attendance is very important to you guys.
Wala ning ano,
seminar given on the 7th day of April 2024 at Anytime Fitness Vibe Hub, Tuagon. First Julius po. San Abog. Jen Kando.
What's in mga kapogi? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Anytime Fitness Vibe Hub dito sa Quezon City and
Dahil may tatak dalisay, tatak dalisay exclusive at may dahil may
dito tayo ngayon dahil meron tayong tatak dalisay exclusive classic physique posing seminar. Okay ulit.
Nas, init gagi.
What's in mga kapogi? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Anytime Fitness Vibe.
Vibe Hub.